Well, today, this is a business car. I'm going to try to tune it up. It needs a few things. First of all, I've checked the air filter. You know, this controls how much gas mileage you get. These are my safety goggles. So I've checked the air filter. It is clean. The air filter came from here. All right. I'm going to put it back later. These are my work gloves. And what I need to do today is to change the problem with the car was that it had an oxygen sensor. Had some problems, and this is what an oxygen sensor looks like. Okay, this is very, very critical. So I'm going to change two of them today, or replace two of them today. But it's a very fragile thing, so I'm going to put it right back here very nicely. But oxygen sensor controls the gas and air mixture in the car, and it's really very critical. So I'm going to change two of them. I'm going to replace two of them, and then I also have an engine oil filter. Since I'm going to be working on it, I'm going to change the oil filter, which is this little device here, original Ford Motor Company oil filter. And I'm also going to change the engine oil. And last but not least, well, this is the container that I use for changing pouring the old engine oil in there. If I was going to change the radiator fluid, I use this one, so it doesn't pour on the ground. So this is for engine oil, this is for radiator fluid. Now, you see a couple of, see if you look down there, you're going to see the oxygen sensor. So there's one, this is what they call the one in bank one. And then if you look back there, you see another one that looks like it, right? Oh, I see it. Yeah. This car actually has four, but these are the most critical ones, so that's why I bought two of them. And to replace those oxygen sensors actually require a special tool to remove them. So this, you don't use regular tools or washers or whatever, or pliers. You use and so one of these three, see how it is cut out? See? They're all cut out, so because you can't, you have to put it in there. You can try, actually you can try to fit it in there. Yeah, put it on there. It has to slide back, slide through the extension cord or extension. And then you use a plier to, it runs to take it out. And then, let's take this. See, while we're in there, this is what they call mass hair flow cleaner. Okay, this is a mass hair flow cleaner. The hair gets pulled in from here, it gets in here, it regulates how much hair is going to go into the, this is the throttle body. So I have the mass hair flow cleaner, this is a very sensitive electronic stuff. And then this is the throttle body. So they look alike, but they perform different functions. Okay, so after all this, I know I cleaned this last year, this is the throttle body here. And the hair goes in here, it gets filtered by this, goes through this tube, it gets here. This is mass hair flow sensor. It regulates how much hair gets into the throttle body. The throttle body regulates what goes in there. So it's a very complex system. It is simple, but it's complex. But anyway, those are the things that I'm going to do. How long is it going to take me to do it? I don't know. Maybe an hour, 2 hours. But I enjoy doing it, so it's going to be a fun project to work on. But anyway, if you guys are ready, and these are some of my tools that I'm going to use. If you guys are ready, I'm going to start tuning up the business car.